Hello friends, hope you all are fine. If you're finding a best opportunity for earning, this video can help you. Today we are introducing best platform where you can do electricity payment, water bill payment, mobile recharge, DTH recharge, FASTag recharge and get a handsome earning from this platform. So friends, you all are welcome to UNOPAY. So friends, UNOPAY official website is www.unotag.biz. So friends, once again you all are welcome to UNOPAY. So friends, the unique products, unique amazing platform for the amazing opportunity, excellent rewards and the inspiring possibility. Talk about us of the platform. UNOTAG is a multi-solution private limited for the Indian MCA registered company, offer the lot of benefits, reliable service for the under the user, providing a great opportunity for everyone. So friends, company's mission and vision are very strong, want to give you long-term income, life-changing opportunity. Our documents here you can see fully legal platform, PAN card, incorporation, TAN, GST. You can verify this platform, you can verify with these certificates. So friends, now talk about the next our services. Platform provide mobile recharge, DTH recharge, FASTag recharge, electricity bill, Bajar gas bill and the prepaid gas bill, water bill, loan and other services also. So friends, here you can see B2C and B2B company do payment. So friends, e-wallet plus e-service plus direct sellings. Here you will get a reputed company like Flipkart, Amazon and the Paytm. Here you can see versus the UNOPAY. Every opportunity for you, the point to point, every opportunity, every earning source for you. So friends, why join UNOPAY? Because for joining UNOTAG, you'll get registration completely free, no admin charge, no hidden charge, unlimited referral, multiple way of earning, joining one-time earning, lifetime royalty income for the Opal Bank, unlimited passive income, monthly rewards, annually tours, 100% legal platform, no risks, no liability, no leg maintenance, and the nominee facility, 100% safe secure transfer. Easy to smart for the best services, 24/7 support system you'll get. Talk about the registration bonus. Create your account, get 1.5% on every recharge. Here you can see register and your account will be UNOPAY and you'll get 1.5% on every recharge. So friends, now talk about the joining packages. Here you can join with a basic package of 649, you'll get ebook, and the next package is 1499. The premium package ebook bundle. You can build your business by the purchasing UNOPAY membership. So friends, now talk about the types of income. Here you will get 649 reward point and self mobile recharge commission 5%, team mobile recharge commission 1.5%, direct referral income, team level income, daily royalty income, monthly royalty income, magic plant income, and the reward and tours, weekly bonus, mobile fund, laptop fund, bike fund, and many more here you will get. So friends, next talk about the recharge service commission. For the basic package, for every recharge you will get 4.5% commission, and for the premium package you will get 6.5% commission for the every recharge for the premium package. And talk about the basic and premium user service commission chart. Here you can see for the service level, here you can see the level is service and mobile recharge 3% to 5%, and DTH recharge 3% to 5%, and FASTag 0.30% plus 1 rupees, gas bill 0.30% plus 1 rupees, water bill 0.30% plus 1 rupees, insurance 10 plus 1 rupees, insurance 10 plus 1 rupees, and loan 10 plus 1 rupees. For the level 1, mobile recharge 0.4%, level 2 mobile recharge 0.3%, level 3 0.2%, level 4 0.1%, 5 to 20 level 0.031%, and total 4.5% to 6.5% mobile recharge. For the DTH recharge, total 4.5% to 6.5%, and the FASTag total 1% plus 1 rupees. Here you can see everything, as a loan for the EMI 33 rupees and the insurance 33 rupees. As per this chart you will get this earning. Talk about the direct referral income. Here you can see for the basic package, if you refer any person to this platform, you will get 649 rupees. For the premium package, if you refer any person, you will get 1499 rupees. Do unlimited refer, get unlimited earning. Talk about the basic package and the level income. There will give it 20 levels. For the first level, 40% income per member, 220 rupees. Team you can see 5, and you will get total income of 1100 rupees. For the level 2, 8% income. For the 44 rupees per member and 25 member team, you will get 1100 rupees. Third level, 4% income and 22 members team, you will get 125 rupees. 125 member, you will get 2750 total income. same as per the chart, it will be continue and get this income. So friends, up to 20 level you will get this income and it will be continue. So friends, now talk about the premium package level income. For the first level income and the member will be 540, and the second level here you can see 100, and for the first level 540 income per member you will get, and the team, if you have 5 member in your team, total income will be 2700 rupees. Second level 100 income per member, you will get 25 member in your team and 2500 rupees total income. Third level, you will get 50 rupees per member income. 125 member team, you will get 6250 rupees income. 625 members, your earning will be 15625 rupees. Fifth level, you can see your total earning will 31,250 rupees. Same, it will continue up to 20 level and it will continue, you'll get this income. So friends, next talk about the daily rank royalty income. For the Opal rank, you will get 12 direct. For the L1, 1.5% royalty of company turnover. For the Topaz rank, business required the equal of 4 Opal L2 and 1.60% royalty of the company turnover you will get. For the Jasper rank, business equal to 4 Topaz L3, you will get 1.65% royalty company turnover. For the Alexander rank, business equal to 4 Jasper L4, 1.75% royalty of company turnover you will get. Here you can see the diamond, blue diamond and crown diamond also. So friends, talk about the benefit of the Opal rank. Here you can see the benefit of the Opal rank will be 15,000 rupees, 1.5% daily royalty. Domestic trip Opal rank criteria are, here you can see you will get 1.5% mobile fund. The royalty per month till will be 15,000 rupees. For the benefit of the Topaz rank, here you can see the domestic trip and you will get 1.5% laptop fund royalty per month till 30,000 rupees. Benefit of Jasper rank, you will get 1.5% bike fund royalty per month till the, here you can see 1,50,000 rupees and the domestic trip. So friends, benefit of the Alexander rank, here you can see foreign trip with a 1.75% royalty daily and up to 10 lakh rupees. So friends, same, here you can see the diamond rank, you will get foreign trip yearly and 1.20 crores. Here you can see 2% luxury car fund. So friends, benefit of blue diamond, 2 foreign trip within family yearly and a 2.5 crore villa. Here you can see you will get the 1% villa fund royalty till the 2.5 crores. Weekly bonus the super 50. Here you can see 2% company turnover, 1% unlimited depth level. Level 1 2000, here you can see 27,500 BV or 50 direct team member with a 5,500, and here you can see BV 550 BV. If you complete the level 1 with this criteria, you will get 2% weekly bonus company turnover, 1% unlimited depth level income. Magic planet income 4%. Here you can see everything. You can earn up to 60 lakh rupees. So friends, you can earn up to 25 crores 60 lakh rupees from this. And here you can see the chart. For this chart, as per the chart, you will get this income. So action and the profit, here you can see if you do 100% action, 25 crore you can earn. For the 50% action, 12 crore you can earn. For the 10% action, 2 crore you can earn. Here you can see if you do 0.1% action, you will get 2 lakh rupees. You can get 2 lakh rupees plus earning. Risk 0%, profit 100%. Talk about the terms and conditions. Registration completely free. The instant income will be withdrawal all time. Minimum withdrawal 250 rupees. Unlimited, you will get this income added to your wallet after deduction. 5% TDS. Terms and conditions. Customer support 24/7. No admin charges, no hidden charges. Unlimited passive income from the daily need of service. So friends, join this platform and get a handsome earning journey. You all are welcome to UNOTAG and join this platform. For joining, you will get a link in the description. Visit www.unotag.biz. So friends, thank you. Join today and get a handsome earning journey with this platform.